separate out. Work back down. Flip around in the beginning. Now it's really important as you're opening this up, you want to kind of smell your dough too. It's really how you get to know your fermentation. See the bubbles in there? You can kind of see the carbon dioxide coming out. That's a beautiful thing of starters. See how we're just tapping around, giving yourself your dough, your crust. Flip it over. Do it again over here.
And so why did you say that yours doesn't need a crust and everybody else's so far does?
Because of, like this one might not need as much, same with the last one, because how much is in natural oven? 72 hours fermentation. We use 40% starter in our recipe. And then also we use 0.5% of yeast and 0.5% of malt. We use dissect malt, so it really kind of livens it up a lot.
But this is how the thickness you usually go to?
Yeah, absolutely.
Do you make your malt? Or?
I do. Actually, I use one of these Montville 200s. And I actually do it myself. So diacetic malt is a beautiful thing as it is when you cook. So you can actually go to any malt. We get ours from Skagit Valley malts. And the idea is when you cook a malt or a berry over 80 degrees, it kills off enzymes in it. So a diacetic malt is under the 80 degrees. And if you mill it yourself, it's even fresher than buying one. Plus, it's a lot cheaper. I think a 50-pound bag of diacetic malt is $90 to $100, as opposed to a bag of barley bean or berries that I think is maybe $30 or something like that. You mill it yourself, and it's got a lot more enzymatic power to it, as opposed to when you have to transfer all these powders across the nation. There's a temperature difference. Over 80 degrees kills out the diacetic enzymes that are in there. So it's a naturally active food for your starter or your foolish. So yeah, go ahead, guys.
Okay. So how are we identifying these for cooking? Right. Oh, right on the paper.
Yeah, it sounds like
And we'll also